Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab, and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Hawaii health officials reported one new coronavirus-related death and 74 additional infections today. The fatality was on Maui and brings the state's COVID-19 death toll to 484. The state's total number of infections since the start of the pandemic is now 32,654. Today's new infection cases include 49 on Oahu, 11 on Maui, 7 on Kauai, 4 on the Big Island, and 3 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. There are 1,170 currently active infections in Hawaii, with the vast majority of them on Oahu. State health officials said one new hospitalization was today, and as of Friday, there were a total of 47 virus patients in Hawaii hospitals, with 7 of them in intensive care units and 4 on ventilators. Queens Health Systems is now accepting walk-ins at its COVID-19 vaccination clinic at the Blaisdell Concert Hall. The vaccine will be available on a walk-in basis from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. daily, except for Tuesdays when the clinic is closed. Anyone seeking the vaccine should bring their ID and an insurance card. Teens ages 16 and 17 should be accompanied by a parent or guardian on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays when the Pfizer shot is being given. Appointments can still be made for the Blaisdell and Queens other mass vaccination clinic in West Oahu by calling 691-2222. Mass testing for COVID-19 is underway at the Kauai Community Correctional Center after an employee tested positive for the virus. Officials with the Hawaii's Department of Public Safety said the employee last worked on Thursday. No inmates have reported symptoms for COVID-19, but the jail has enacted its pandemic protocols as a precaution. The 130-bed jail in Lihue is in quarantine, and inmate movement has been suspended. The State Department of Health is also doing contact tracing and has offered voluntary testing for all inmates and staff. Honolulu police are seeking the public's help in identifying the driver involved in a hit-and-run collision in Ewa Beach. The incident happened on Hanakahi Street just after 7 a.m. on April 25th. Police said a gray pickup truck was traveling east when it passed an SUV and hit the bicyclist. The pickup truck fled the scene, and the 38-year-old bicyclist was taken in critical condition to the Queens Medical Center. Anyone with information on the driver is asked to call HPD's Traffic Division at 723-3413. Finally, University of Hawaii designated hitter Dustin Demeter was named the College Baseball Newspaper National Player of the Week. Demeter was also named the Big West Conference's Field Player of the Week. Demeter is a fifth-year junior who went 11 for 19 with 5 runs, 3 homers, and 14 RBIs over the weekend as the Rainbow Warriors won 3 out of 4 games against Cal State Fullerton. He drove in 6 runs in the second game of Saturday's doubleheader, then followed it with 6 more RBIs on Sunday. Demeter returned to the lineup on April 16th after missing 13 games because of a foot injury. Since then, he has a .460 batting average. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at Star-Advertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.